Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Crafts Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with a new demo for you. Check this one out. This is a B-6 and we're going to play a little sound demo for you. What can I say about it? It's got Seymours. Okay, you've got in the front we got jazz humbucker, and we've got coil tapping going, or coil splitting. Yeah. So we're splitting off single coil mode. And then we also have back here, good old classic 59. And we got that going. Now, what would you call this paint? Huh? Look at that. It's not a paint. It's a stain and a dye. Both. So I stained the wood and then dyed the clear coat. And then came up with this see-through Daphne. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Call it faded Daphne if you want. I don't know. Whatever. It is pretty cool, I think. It's got ash body. And we went with the lightest ash you can get. Not going to get into that whole swamp ash discussion again. But, you know, you all should know that swamp ash does not exist. It's not a wood. It's not a tree. It is just a terminology for lumber. It's an ash tree that grew up in the south, in the swamps. And more arid, actually. Doesn't necessarily mean it was born in swamps. More arid, and therefore going to be a little lighter because the wood is porous. Gives it a little softer density. A little softer sound, some people think. I don't know. I'm not going to go into the tone wood thing either. But speaking of tone woods, look at this. Isn't that a beautiful maple? So we got a 3-piece maple neck. And of course we got figured maple on the fretboard as well. So all figured maple, curly maple, flame maple, call it what you want. I think it's party. So there you go. And we've got hip shot going on with the hardware. So we got hip shot bridge. And we got hip shot tuners. Check out those. Got the little, what, I don't know what you call those little pegs. Kind of, yeah, funnel heads. I don't know. What do you guys call them over there at hip shot? Anyway, so that's what we got. We got something a little snazzy, a little jazzy, a little surfy, a little turfy. Yeah, a little smurfy. Oh my gosh, he keeps them coming. All right, let's play this guitar already, James. All right, I've got this one tuned to B, or it was. It's close enough. Okay, so that is going to be both in humbucker mode and centered up, so you got both. Oh, check this out too. I'm going to turn up the guitar a little bit. Ah, yeah, let's get this thing grinding here. Oh, yeah. Playing through that 40-watt Belchfire that you guys all know that I love. My friend Daniel made this one. Yeah. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah, I haven't played much lately. I need to. Bridge pickups got lots of spink. That's that 59 for you. I mean, it's just Seymours are awesome. Like that. Now both of them are tapped out. This is going to be single coil, single coil. People ask me all the time, this is a 28.5-inch scale. They say, James, how do I get my baritone to still sound like a guitar? So I have a little twang and not so much mud and thud. It's in the pickups, guys. I'm not kidding you. It's in the pickups. All right, so let's get you a little bit of distortion because I know you can't wait for that sound. In case we do want some thud mud, it does have that as well if we want. because we got a tone pot that actually works. Keep making them as long as people keep wanting them, and I'll make them however you want. Thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.